friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhan Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. Friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos. Friends, in this video, I would like to teach you chapter 13 practical geometry. This is part 2 video on this practical geometry. In this part 2, we are going to learn construction of angles using protractor. Constructing a copy of an angle of unknown measure. Construction to bisect a given angle. Constructing angles of special measures 60 degree, 120 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree. Let us learn one by one. First one, construction of angles using protractor. Let us construct angle AOB is equal to 40 degree. To construct angle AOB is equal to 40 degree, we have to use protractor, scale and a pencil. First we have to draw a ray. Draw a ray OB. Now the center of a protractor is placed at O and the line aligned with the OB. Here is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like this. If we kept left of the point, we have to count from right to. So right to 40 degrees. Here is 40 degree. So we have to keep a point at 40 degree. This is A, point A. Using this point A, we have to draw OA ray. Now we get 40 degree. We got 40 degree here. Angle AOB is equal to 40 degree. This is the required angle. Second one, constructing a copy of an angle of unknown measure. Here given angle, but we don't know the measure of this angle. This is angle B, but we don't know the angle, measure of angle. To draw this, first we have to draw a line. L keep a point on it, that is Q. Now taking compass, we have to draw arc B as a center, cut this rays at A, B. Same measure, Q as center, same radius. Now Q as center, draw arc, draw an arc, cuts the line at R, and measure this length of AB. AB, this length AB as radius, and R as a center, cut this existing arc at P. Now join or draw a QP ray these two angles are equal. This is the required copy of this given unknown angle. If we get a doubt, we can measure these two angles. This is 46. Given angle is 46. This is also 46. So like this we can draw angles which is given without measuring angles. Third one, construction to bisect a given angle. Here is a given angle AOB. We don't know this measurement of this angle, but we have to bisect. To bisect this angle, we have to take a compass, O as center, cut these two rays of this angle OA, OB at CD. More than half of this CD. Again draw a arc interior of this angle, D as center. Now C as a center, cut at existing arc at E. Now draw OE ray. This OE is the bisect of angle AOB. Angle bisector OE is the AOB. These two angles are equal. AOE is equal to BOE. Fourth one, constructing angles of special measures: 60 degree, 120 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree. First, 60 degree. To draw this 60 degree, first to draw a line L, keep a point O on it. Now taking a compass, O as center, draw a arc convenience radius. Cuts at line at B. Now B as center, same radius, cut this existing arc at A. Now draw OA ray. This give this AOB give 60 degree. If there is any doubt, we can measure it. So 60 degree. Next, 120 degree. To draw 120 degree, first draw a line L, keep a O on it, O as center, draw arc with convenience radius, big arc, cuts at line L at B. Again B as center with the same radius, cut this existence arc at X. Now X as a center, cut again this arc at point A. Now draw OA ray. This AOB gives 120 degrees. If there is any doubt, we can measure it. (120 degrees). Now angle 30. To draw angle 30, we have to draw a line first. Line L, keep a point O on it, and O as center. Draw a arc with the convenient radius. And cut at line L at B. B as a center with the same radius. Cut this existing arc at C. Now we have to draw ray OC. We know this angle will have 60 degree, but we have to construct 30 degree. That's why we have to bisect this. To bisect this, half of this, more than half of this BC as radius, B as a center. Draw a arc interior of this angle and cut this C as center. Cut this arc at A. Draw OA ray. This will give angle AOB, give 30 degrees. If there is any doubt, we can measure this angle which we got 30 degree. So this is the constructing 30 degree. Now we have to draw 90 degree. We have to construct 90 degree. To construct 90 degree, first we have to construct 120 degree. Draw a line. O as a point on it, taking O as center, convenient radius. Draw a big arc to construct first 120 degrees. B as center, same radius. Cut this big arc at C. Again C as center, cut this arc at D. we know if we joined this OD, ray OD, this DOB give 120 degrees. -120 degrees we know, but we have to draw 90 degrees. That's why we have to bisect this CD. If we joined OC, this is 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees. We have to bisect this angle, bisect this. This is A, join OA, draw a OA ray. This AOB give 90 degrees. If there is any doubt, we can measure using protractor. So this is the method of constructing 90 degrees. I think you understood well each and everything. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching my video. If there is any doubt, you may write in my comment box. I will clear your doubt. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe to get my latest updates, and also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.